Hey everybody, thanks for watching. In my previous video I showed these brackets that I remodeled and 3D printed from an existing design. The original design was meant to fully 3D print a Halo style head strap. I remodeled some parts to convert my Halo style GoMR VR head strap into an Elite style head strap. Now everybody has a different head shape and preferences, of course. I prefer an Elite style head strap over the Halo design on the Quest 2. To be honest, I even preferred the original head strap over the GoMR VR head strap. Plus an Elite style head strap gives wobbles a lot less and gives a better field of view, which is more immersive, to be honest, in my opinion. But on the other hand, I'm not a heavy VR user and the Quest isn't permanently attached to my face, so I pause in between games. That's also the same for 2D gaming, and also I have a life besides gaming. Anyway, immediately after my video I was in contact with Kiwidesign, and to be clear, this video is not sponsored by them. The opinions in this video are my own, but they agreed to send me some items to compare in this video. They have sent me their most recent head straps, the new model with the inbuilt battery and the model with off-ear headphones. I don't know if they were mocking my designer head strap or felt sorry for my attempt to build an Elite style model. Or maybe they were intrigued by my exquisite design and wanted me to compare it with their available products. Kiwidesign really stands out with the quality and presentation of their products. The head straps come neatly packaged and shipment took just over a week from China. The battery head strap includes this little strap for cable management. You have two-way management there, one for the battery cable and one for a headphone if you would like to do that. And the head strap with headphones comes also in this larger box. It has a little bit more volume because of the headphones here on the side. Both head straps include a cleaning cloth and a manual, and both of them are attached to the Quest in the same way. Just remove the facial interface, loop the strap on the upper side of the Quest and attach the side plates onto the arms. And finally attach the facial interface back. Be careful, don't damage your lenses. Apart from slight differences, of course, both head straps are made from the same quality plastic. I personally can't say anything about durability because I only tried them for a few days. The quality is expected to be the same as the previous non-battery, non-headphone model. The soft foam pads above and on the back of each headset are perfect in my opinion. They're covered with a nice PU leather material. The padding feels just about right, not too thick, not too thin. They do a good job at gripping on your head, in my opinion. It's very tight on your face, but it's not so clingy. I don't feel cramped at all. The cup-shaped design on the back helps a lot with holding the headset in place. I had a lot of issues with the Halo GoMR VR head strap and even with the stock head strap when playing fast movement games, that the headset wobbled a lot and you'll lose your sweet spot quick on the Quest 2. I mean, the sweet spot is very small, and I didn't have much problems with that with the two new head straps that I've got here. Even my designer head strap had less wobble than the Halo head strap design, but of course not. It wasn't on par with these two new commercially available headsets. And the soft padding on the top, I mean, that's a real welcome. I mean, it holds the thing just in place and distributes all the weight on your head. The tightener knobs on both headsets have a nice soft ratchety sound and feel. I mean, you can feel, of course, the quality difference with the Kiwidesign model and the cheaper model that I've got here, which sounds like it's gonna break at any moment. Also, over tightening them doesn't feel as painful as on my headset here, on my designer headset. The soft padding shape and quality of the head straps do a very good job, so it definitely feels very nice on your face. So in this next part I want to go a little bit deeper into the obvious and less obvious differences between each of these head straps, the pros and cons on each model. The one with battery comes with a 6400 mAh battery. This will add up extra playtime to your game sessions. The battery itself on the strap lasts around 2.5 up to 4 hours. So that is on top of your Quest 2 gameplay time. If you plug in the cord and everything is fully charged up, you'll get around 4.5 to 6 hours of gameplay. This depends of course on the types of games or apps that you use on the headset. The weight of the inbuilt battery is a nice additional feature. It acts like a counterweight on the back of your head, and the overall thing, it just feels fully balanced. It's a little bit heavier of course, but with a nice top strap here and the counterweight, it just is a lot more balanced on your head and no strain on your face. On the back there are 4 indicator lights which light up when you plug in the power cord, and these also show the percentage of the head strap's battery. They also advise to unplug the cable, by the way, when the headset is not in use. This is healthier for the Quest2 battery and the inbuilt battery on the headset. I would have preferred a head strap, I would have preferred an on-off switch, but that's not a big deal. A big deal breaker for me would be the fact that the head strap is designed to add a lot of comfort to your game sessions, and these side straps, etc. They are excellently balanced on your head, but it adds a little bit of a con in my case. I like to use these headphones. These are the Crusher wireless models. These have haptic bass, so there's haptic feedback on the bass. So there's a lot of rumble and a lot of oomph in my gameplay sessions, but it's not usable with this head strap. And of course you could try to find, there are headphones, on-ear, over-ear headphones that do work on this thing. I don't know which models those are, but you'll have to find the model. And of course regular earbuds, wireless or wired earbuds will work just fine. Another deal breaker could be the fact that it doesn't fit in all cases, and you need to remove the back padding every time you place the strap into the case. Now let's take a look at the headphone model. The soft padding on the headphones is from the same PU leather material as on the padding. The hinges do feel very nice, you can adjust them for your liking. And the headphones lean inwards and apply gentle pressure on your ears. The sound quality is a little bit of a step up compared to the Quest's inbuilt speakers, so they are good enough, but relatively not on par with the build quality of the head strap, to be honest. You can compare the audio quality to cheaper headphones. I am no audiophile, but the difference is very noticeable if you are used to higher end headphones. The back part also acts like a little bit of a counterweight, but it's not as well balanced as the model with inbuilt battery. It's of course leagues ahead of the stock strap and my designer head strap. And also finding a case that will fit the headset with included headphones can be a bit harder, as I definitely can't use both of my cases. So in conclusion, both of these head straps are very well designed and are very comfortable. A huge step up from the stock strap and, to be honest, also my designer strap. The battery version adds a lot of gameplay time and is very well balanced on your head. The only con would be that not every headphone can work with it. The headphone version is very convenient, it has built-in headphones. The sound quality on the headphones isn't the best. And also finding a case can be a little bit harder because the overall volume of the headset is bigger. Links to both head straps can be found in my video description. And thanks again for watching.